Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your DAW supports the Saber plugin format and that you're running 64-bit. Once done, ensure you have admin rights and about 1 GB free disk space so the installer can extract. Next, download the official Saber installer. Make sure the file name and checksum match the vendor note. Don't install from unknown sources, that's why you use the official build. Once the download finishes, locate the installer in your Downloads folder and prepare to run it. Run the installer as administrator and accept the license. You'll be prompted to select components, so pick the plugin formats you need and any bundled presets. During setup, choose the correct plugin path, VSD3 for most hosts, O for Mac OS, and set the sample content folder where presets and keys will live. Once installed, install any bundled drivers if prompted. Finally, open your DAW and trigger a plugin rescan. Make sure to clear cache or reset the scan if your host supports it. Load Saber on a new track and verify sound and MIDI mapping. Play a preset to confirm audio passes through. Then complete authorization by entering your license key or logging into the vendor account. This step unlocks full features. If the plugin fails to appear, rescan the plugin folders in your DAW, restart the host, and if needed, reinstall using the same installer but choose clean settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is silent, check sample rates and buffer size between DAW and audio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.